8 foods that aggravate Alzheimer's, dementia, and memory loss. In this video, I will introduce more than 8 foods that can aggravate and worsen the condition of Alzheimer's and dementia patients. As I have said before, according to the teachings of our holistic and temperamental herbal medicine that has been able to provide the best results for improving and treating many diseases, the main cause of Alzheimer's and dementia is the predominance of the phlegm temperament over the brain of these patients. Phlegm means cold and wet temperament, and one of the important and useful solutions is to avoid consuming cold-tempered foods as much as possible, and instead these patients should use warm-tempered foods more. For this reason, here I introduce to you 8 foods or food categories that are cold-tempered and aggravate the brain diseases such as Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, and poor memory. Try to eliminate using of them in these patients' daily diet or at least, drastically minimize their consumption. You may think that their use is inevitable and cannot be stopped. But be sure that there are much better and more useful foods to include in the diet of these patients and even normal and healthy people. To get to know some of these foods, refer to the video 7 Foods for Improving Alzheimer's and Dementia. I'll put the link of this video in the description. I must mention that I managed to improve my grandmother suffering from dementia to a good extent with these foods and some amazing herbal compounds. Number 1. Cold-tempered meats such as beef, veal, buffalo, female goat and factory-made chicken. Number 2. Tomatoes, tomato paste, tomato sauce and other tomato products. Number 3. Potatoes. Number 4. Cheese and yogurt. Number 5. Alcohol. The very negative effects of alcohol consumption on the brain have also been proven in the classical medicine, and its resources are available. I will put a link to an article about this in the description. Number 6. Factory-made or canned or GMO foods. These foods should be strictly avoided. Number 7. Mushrooms, because they are extremely cold-tempered. Number 8. Regular white sugar or table sugar. Today, it has been proven that the consumption of industrial white sugar has a direct effect on the development and worsening of these brain diseases. Therefore, be sure to use sweets, pastries, desserts and drinks which made with only natural sweeteners such as honey, cane sugar, grape molasses, date molasses, white berry molasses or fig molasses. For getting more information about herbs and foods that are useful for improving and treating Alzheimer's and dementia, visit my website. I am a researcher and writer, and my wish for all people in the world is healthy souls in healthy bodies.